Hi, this is Daisy. Welcome to my vlog. I'm a Filipino traveler who loves to explore with my hubby. Here we are again for our daily adventure updates. So, for today's video, plano namin ni hubby mag-ikot-ikot at magtingin-tingin sa iba't ibang klase ng ibon. My hubby is my favorite travel buddy. He always be my favorite adventure. I feel so grateful every day because having the right person by your side makes a world difference. Anyways, don't mind my pimples. So tara, samahan niyo kami sa aming adventure. Traveling as a couple is a great experience pero ibang klase ng adventure ang meron kami ngayon. As we continue walking, we saw a devil's bite back. It was a Tasmanian devil. They are very timid and don't normally pose a danger people unless they are attacked or trapped. However, when they do feel threatened, they do strange yawns, showcasing their sharp teeth. If you saw this kind of animal, a Tasmanian devil's rather stop and observe only if it's safe to do so and never touch it. A Tasmanian devil, they are often misunderstood to be vicious predators, but in reality, they are non-territorial, shy, nocturnal creatures. Babe, is still hot there or not? Huh?
No, it's done.
Oh! Is it funny? Kids will love it.
Might be a broker. They love living where there's water.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
What does that mean?
See that one? Spoonbill? See the spoon?
It's got a big spoon beak. Can you see that one with a round beak? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of leaves. And I can see their big feathers on it.
Oh no, it's a jabber. I think that's a jabber.
Very big feathers.
Jabber.
Iba't ibang klase ng ibon ang nakikita natin ngayon. Hindi ko na sila isa-isahin kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam yung mga pangalan nila. Pero matatagpuan sila dito sa Melbourne Zoo sa Australia. Nakakaaliw at nakaka-amaze lang kasi inaalagaan talaga nila yung mga ibon dito. Yung mga birds dito is malaya nila magawa yung mga gusto nila. They can fly everywhere they want to fly. Birds are vertebrate animals that have feathers, wings, and beaks. Like all vertebrates, they have bony skeletons. Most birds are able to fly, but some like ostrich and penguins cannot fly even though they still have wings. There are many types of birds in Australia, but I can mention them all because some of them are not familiar to me. The color of the same color. Hello. Not moving.
We just begin training them for like free flight exercise. So in order to be able to come outside and fly around.
The tail feathers are awesome.
Yeah, they are. Okay. Good boy.
Yeah, we've been doing like cool burning in the forest down there to try and protect their food trees.
Okay, great.
Brown stringy bark.
That's really cool.
Naaliw at nasiyahan din ba kayo sa episode na to? Sana naman nagustuhan nyo ang vlog na to. So that's it for today's video, but before I end this video, I would like to say I dream before, I explore now, and I will definitely discover more. Always be nice and kind. Bye!